In this chapter, we are going to cover the concept of loops in practicals. For example, we want to make the counter from 1 to 10. How we can make it with the help of loop. So we will cover with all types of loops, whether do while, or for. So start with the do while. We have to initialize a variable which is start with the 1. As we know that initialization should be there, we use do and then we will use opening brace with it. When we use open brace with it and enter, it will suggest us to that if you want to increment it or not. If you want to make a counter, so what you will do, you will just say console dot write line and say I and then close with a semicolon. And if you want to increment it, how you are going to increment it, but we have to put a particular condition. You can put while true or you can put according to it. So you will say I less than equals to according to. For example, I want a counter from 1 to 10. So what do? I just put 1 less than equals to 10. That means it will execute till the condition is true for this application. So int I is equals to 1. This is the initial value. This is your final value, and we have to put a increment statement with it. We know I plus plus, or you can say I is equals to, if you are a beginner, you can say I is equals to I plus 1. Otherwise, you can put I plus plus. If I just try to run the code, if I execute this code, this is a code of do while. How in C#, how we can implement do while for making a counter from 1 to 10. So 1 is the starting position and 10 is the last position. So if our program is right, then it will display the particular counter from 1 to 10 in our output screen. So we will see, yes, it is giving. That means our program is right. So if we want to do the same program with the help of while, what are the changes which will be? So as a beginner, don't be afraid of that, how it will be in the while and all. Just do one thing. It's a trick. Just delete the do from this and just take the condition, that is cut this from here, while from this position, just paste it here. So with the W, it's missing, and delete the semicolon from. This is an entry level. So enter here. This type of loop is called as entry level because the condition is checked at the time of entry. Now just run the application. It will run exactly same as it is running in the do while. So now, but the thing is, condition is checked here first. In case of do while, what is the difference then, both of the programs? So in case of do while, if the condition is false, it will execute at least once. See, we will see that. If I is greater than, so I is not greater than, that means condition is false. So if I execute this, it will not execute anything. But in case of do while, it will execute at least once because a condition is at the bottom. Now we will just check the same thing with the help of do while. So I just say Control Z to get the output or get the program, the same program. Now what I'm doing here, I'm changing the sign with the less than, that is greater than sign, because I is not greater than 10. So now this time it will execute at least one, and then condition will be false and it will come out from the loop. See, at least once. Okay, so this is a basic difference between do while and while. When we talk about for, so what we will do, we will put all the things together. That's the reason for is the fastest loop in the in any conventional programming or any programming language. So how you are going to, just you have to put all the things together. So what we will do, we will just say for, and we just put all that. We can just declare here also I is equals to 1 with the semicolon, I less than equals to 10, and with the semicolon I plus plus. I'm putting each and everything here. So now I need not to put this thing, I need not to put this thing here, I need not to put this, I need not to put this. So what I do, I just delete all the things which are not needed. So this thing is needed now because I have to make counter with the help of for loop, and this is the way how we are. That's the reason we are saying for loop is the fastest loop, because compiler need not to have to go to and fro from one line to another line. Everything is at one place. So initial value is there, final value is there, and increment or decrement is there. So this is all about the looping concepts. In this way, you can go with all the looping concept. You have done that concepts in other conventional programmings also. If not, but you can start it with the beginner. This is all for do while, and for. When we talk about for each, so for each is a loop which is related to your arrays and all. Whenever we are doing the concept of arrays and we want to extract the data from the array or from the list, then we use the for each concept. So we have not done array yet. So whenever we do in the coming sessions the array concept or the list concept, then we will do the for each. So I hope this content is clear to you. If really, then put a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe my channel. I see you in the next chapter. Thank you so much.